All right, how you doing, guys? Welcome back. Stu is back at a ring. How you doing? I have this 2014 Honda CR-V. You know what's good. Let me turn on to the on position. Turn the key to the on position. I got that light. The TPMS sensor is on. TPMS signal is on. So this car reads 30 psi. You see it right here, front, rear, 30 psi. Okay, so that's what I did. I put 30 pounds in each tire, 4 tires, and I drove it around. It didn't go away. I press and hold this, didn't go away. It just blinked. Watch, press and hold it, just blink, and that's it. All right, so did it just go away? It just went away. So if you want to do that, don't do it while the car is running, okay? Or when the car is moving. Do it when the car is in the on position. All right, then press it, hold it until that signal is gone. All right, that's how you get rid of that signal, the TPMS signal. Don't forget to put the right amount of air in the tires, okay? That's pretty much it. I'll let your boy Stu Boom. See you.